Discovery friends! Mom and Zoe are outside and all of a sudden it starts to rain. Oh no! Take out your umbrella. Open it up. Woo! Phew! Oh, but the wind starts blowing. Oh, it's so strong! It's so strong! Mom holds her umbrella like this. Woo! But Zoe holds her umbrella like this. Woo! Why does Zoe fall down, but Mom does not? Watch the direction of where they hold their umbrellas. Discover. Today's materials: canopy, toy figure, and cords. Let's make a parachute. So if you open this up, this is going to be your parachute, okay? And then this toy figure will be the person. And we have these two strings. We're going to take them both together and go through the top, pull it out, and hold the two sides together. Okay, and then let's tie it here, okay? 1, 2, up, like this. Through. Everyone go through. All right, there we go. Zoom. Okay, like this. All right. Now we have 4 strings now, right? We're going to take each one. If you look closely, you will see there's a hole in each corner. Take each string and push it through the hole. Oh, if it's a little small, you can punch a hole a little bit bigger, okay? Okay, I made mine a little bit bigger. Through, okay, comes through, and then pull it out. Careful not to tear your canopy. Oh, okay, and then pull, and then it's caught like this. Okay, take another one, do the same. Here's another hole, put it inside, out the other side, pull it out, pull. Okay, one more, this side. Another hole here, out the other side. I think some of these holes are a little bit too small, so you can try to punch it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, now we have one more left, right here. Okay, this one, in through the hole, and out the hole. Pull it out, and up. Okay, so this side should look like this, and then this side, the person should be like this. Okay, let's pull a little bit more. Okay, and it should be a canopy like this. It's a parachute. Woo! Now, we want to take it somewhere high and drop it and see what it looks like. Okay? Wow! Did you see the parachute? Woo! Okay, so a parachute is a tool that helps things fall slowly from high places. If we only threw this and dropped it down, it would go and fall and the man would go. But since we have a parachute, it falls slower and he can safely get to the bottom. Air resistance is a force that pushes the object and slows it down. So where is the air resistance? It's here, right? And that's holding it down like this. That way the parachute opens and there's more air resistance, and as it goes down, it catches more and more air and it slows down the fall. Think more. Air resistance affects speed. If we have air resistance, it slows down, right? Just like the parachute. With no resistance, it goes faster and faster. Just like high-speed trains and airplanes, they have round or pointed fronts, so that way it reduces air resistance. If they were square or flat, it would go slower. Also, flying squirrels spread their bodies to catch more air and slow down their fall.